Here's a pretty cool country rhythm. It just goes like this. And all that is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So all it is, I'm not even doing anything extra, just you could palm mute it to add a little extra something to it. And then you can add a little bit of fill to it at the end. You can go and I just did just something like that. It gives it like kind of like, you know, a drum fill or bass fill, just sort of a little something to do there at the end to make it a little more exciting. So you could, you know, kind of mix the palm muting and the fill and everything all together. And all I'm doing for that fill is down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And you have sort of a folky type rhythm. You know, it's a cool folky rhythm, country rhythm. The chords I'm playing are so you could literally go through the whole rhythm with just that first rhythm, you know, the downtown, up, down, up, downtown, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You mix it up. Let's say you just do the first one the first time and the second one the second time. Down, down. That's cool because then you kind of have like a fill at the end of the thing. It doesn't get so monotonous doing the same thing the whole time. You kind of give it a little fill at the end.